This is Hoco BT 5.0 USB BT adapter. I am installing it on my PC. After installing the Bluetooth adapter on your PC, Bluetooth is not showing up in Windows 7. If Bluetooth is not showing up in Windows 7 after installing the Bluetooth adapter, let's see how to fix it. Remove the Bluetooth adapter from here. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC. After plugging the Bluetooth adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC, go to your PC. If Bluetooth is still not showing up on your PC, go to the second method. Click on the Start menu. Search Device Manager here. Click on Device Manager. Click on Bluetooth radios. If the Bluetooth adapter is disabled from here, then enable it again. Sometimes Bluetooth is not visible even after installing the Bluetooth adapter, because it is disabled from here. After enabling from here, Bluetooth will now be visible on the PC. Bluetooth is now visible on Windows 7. If Bluetooth is not visible on the PC even after enabling the Bluetooth adapter, then update your Bluetooth driver. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter device. Click on Update Driver Software. Click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Select your driver from here. Click on Next. The USB Bluetooth driver is now updated. After updating the Bluetooth driver, Bluetooth will be visible in Windows 7. You can now transfer files via Bluetooth in Windows 7.